Hey, you got Mark here at Kalleco Nursery for your Thursday 3. A little something different for you. We're on a job site. We thought we'd show you a bunch of our products we got. So our paver is Belgard landings. I love this product because it's a great solid step option. 6 inches tall, 48 inches wide, 18 inches deep. In this case, we're just stacking on each other with the same reveal for the tread. In other cases, you can twist them, and it's really good, a great application. Comes in a handful of colors. It blends great with natural bluestone like we're using here on this job. Works well with other precast retaining wall products as well. Big fan of these. Our plant is sky pencil holly. I'm a big fan of this because it's an interesting plant that is real super tight columnar plant. It grows straight up. So if you have that real unique area that you need a small plant or a standalone plant, it's a great interesting plant for, so if you have these tiny little courtyard areas you want a year-round interest. Love this plant. Relatively deer resistant, and it also looks good in the hedge. Our product is, we have bird baths here from Audubon. We have a couple different sizes and a couple different shapes. I'm a big fan of it because it comes with a stand and there's some pretty unique looking products for it. Makes a great gift for somebody. So anyway, there's your Thursday 3. Hope you have a great day.